guys, Koreyexpress2, the fire alarm's going off at Holyoke Mall. Let me just set up my camera. Actually not. Sorry guys.
Really?
No, I gotta bust out the camera. This is the third time. I got like 4,000 views off of this.
Going off and no one's freaking out or anything.
I know. I heard it. I heard it when it first go off. That's every time when I come to the mall, I get a good views off of this fire alarm.
First, put your camera away.
I'm still recording.
Okay, you're still recording.
I want to stay here, so. Where's that firebox at? No sound over here. Doesn't have a horn. Just have a blink. I don't see no firebox. All over the mall. My ears are ringing. Okay guys, part 2 is coming, so be back. Koreyexpress2, and I'm back. The fire alarm is still going off. Once again, the fire alarm is going off at Holyoke Mall. Why? Good thing I got my high HD camera, you guys. I think this is going to keep on continuing. I don't know what happened. It's not me. I gotta journey back downstairs. Let's go check out the other places before I shut off. It was in the store.
That's why.
Yeah.
Alright,
Yeah, tell the guys I'm up here for a sec. It's like a fire alarm show. Featuring me in it. Well, check on this place. Check over here. Good thing I have my camera with me. Oh, a different fire alarm. Some wheel locks are going off. I wonder where the source is. Maybe we can check this out if we can find around all the mall. This is Holyoke Mall again. Sound like a fire drill from Putnam High School. See if we can find the box here. What source we need to go to. We got some signalers and we got wheel locks that actually had the horn on it. Go find the source where it is. I don't know if the box is over here. It might not be over here. Nope. Nope, it's not over here. But it must be on the other side of the mall. It's somewhere, the box is somewhere in the mall. Let me go and search for this real quick. I'm trying to find the box. I know if they're gonna shut it off or no. I'm gonna be too late going to the box. Come on, where's that box at? Okay, I'm back out in the main hall. I hope it's not one of the fires now. They haven't even evacuated the mall yet. Sorry, I'm walking a little too fast. I'm shaking. I'm trying to find the source of the box. It's gotta be in this building somewhere. There we go. Finally. Koreyexpress2 fire alarm at Holyoke Mall, and I'll see you guys later. I'm back with my group. So see ya.